Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Thank you so much for checking out this video. This channel is at almost 500 subscribers. Please share this video and channel to anyone who might enjoy the content. It would really help. Okay, I've read online recently that one of the points of failures on a timing chain are in the pins and bushings of the chain. What I read essentially is that abrasive dirt like soot and debris can accumulate inside the chain pins and bushings, causing wear on the chain. On a chain with over 100 pins, the wear on each pin can compound and cause elongation of the chain. I sent an email to Valvoline to see if their Restore and Protect oil can help clear soot and dirt buildup in the chain. Here's what they said. Thank you for contacting Valvoline product support. Yes, using Restore and Protect with proper vehicle maintenance at the OEM service intervals does assist and is essential for maximizing the lifespan of your timing chains. Regular oil changes are particularly important as clean oil helps lubricate the timing chain and prevent premature wear. Neglecting oil changes can lead to accelerated wear on the timing chain and other engine components. The active clean technology chemically dissolves deposits on all components bathed in or in constant contact with engine oil into microscopic pieces when used consistently during OEM oil drain intervals. The exclusive LiquiShield technology works to prevent future deposit formation with continuous use. Alright, well let me know in the comments if any of this is new news to you. I mean, I know that Valvoline can clean, but it wasn't until now that I was able to put two and two together to even ask the question of Valvoline. Alright, as an added bonus, I've also asked Valvoline about oil shelf life. Reason why I asked them this is because I've been thinking about buying the Restore and Protect in bulk, specifically when there's a promotion or something. Here's what they said. Valvoline's finished lubricant products, including our engine and transmission oils, have a shelf life of at least 5 years with no formal expiration date. The components used in the production of finished lubricants are chemically stable and will not break down when stored properly. After 5 years, we recommend the product be sampled and tested to requalify. Please note that Valvoline product shelf life recommendations apply to products stored in the original sealed containers in a clean and dried covered environment such as a garage or warehouse with a typical ambient temperature. The recommended storage condition for engine oils are to keep in cool, dry environments away from direct sunlight and moisture exposure. Additionally, please keep in mind that in a home or a garage, the recommended storage temperature for motor oil is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit and below 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you and have a great day. Alright, well I hope the information from Valvoline is helpful. I think it's the little things an oil can do that can really help extend the life of an engine. For me, it's all about getting to that 500,000 miles, and Valvoline's response personally gives me confidence in using their product. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you're watching one of my videos for the first time, consider checking out my other videos on my channel. You'll find videos of me opening up oil filters, videos about how I'm getting my truck to 500,000 miles, product reviews, among other things. Please check it out.